Hey guys, welcome back. And today we'll try to understand another function that is items within dictionary methods. Now, what items method does it? It returns a view object of the dictionary. Now, the view object consists of the key and the value pairs of the dictionary as a list or a of tuples. Now, what you need to understand in this particular method is when the dictionary is changed, the view object also gets changed. So you can understand it's a view object of the dictionary. So if the dictionary change, the view object will automatically get changed. Since the items in the dictionary are unordered and mutable, they can be changed, added, and removed after the dictionary is created. However, the items cannot be duplicated within the same dictionary. Yeah. So any data type, including numbers, characters, or floats, integers, anything, can be used for the items in the dictionary. The item method is generally used to iterate through a dictionary. Yeah. So let's understand the syntax first, and then probably we'll get into examples. So the syntax for items is det dot items. And we do not have any parameters for this. Yeah, this does not have any parameters. So usually it will return a list of tuple pairs of the dictionary. So let me show you a quick example of item. Example on items method. So you have this fruits, mangoes. We'll continue with the same examples that we have for our earlier videos. So we have this dictionary which has fruit and mango and banana as the list in the as the values of this key. Flower again, rose and lily as the values of the flower as a key. Let's see what it shows. So you can see it shows me all the items, but the format needs to be understood. So it is shown within a list and the keys and the values are shown within a tuple. And the values again, if there are multiple values, it will be shown again as a list which was shown earlier. So the entire dictionary is shown as a list because it is enclosed within a square bracket and the keys and values are shown within tuples as a pair. Yeah. So the example shows that the items within a particular dictionary, when it is retrieved through this method, it will have the combination of list and tuples so that it can show you the contents of the dictionary. Yes. So let's understand what can happen if we try to change some value within a dictionary. Yeah. So suppose example of changing values within the dictionary. Yeah. So you will use the items again. So what I'm doing here is I'm using the same dictionary that is D1 fruit, mango, banana, flowers, rose and lily, and I'm printing the dictionary. So this is my original dictionary. Yeah. And this is my modified dictionary. Yeah. This is my updated dictionary. So what I'm doing here is I am using append method or function which can be used for list. You know, when I'm talking about items, yeah, it has been converted into list. So I'm appending a new item, that is apple. So I'm appending one item within the fruit key. So you can see here d1 fruit dot append apple, and we'll see what happens, and we'll get a view of that dictionary using the items method. So let's see here, can find the updated dictionary with the method that we have used, dig underscore items, yeah, and apple getting added. So anything that is updated within the dictionary will automatically get updated with the in the views as well. Yeah. Also, you need to understand is the item method does not raise any error if we pass on an empty dictionary. Yeah. So if we pass on an empty dictionary, it will return an empty dictionary back to us because there is nothing into it. Yeah. So if suppose my D1 has nothing, which is an empty dictionary that I have passed on, and I say D1 dot items, it will provide me an empty view of the dictionary. So there is nothing within it. Yeah. Let's see another example where we try to find out, uh, as I said earlier in my when we started this method, that it is usually used to iterate over items. Yeah. So the items method is generally used to iterate through dictionary keys and values. Yeah. The tuple of the key value pair is returned using items method. Yeah. So let's see how we can iterate over the dictionary. So we have this fruit. Again, the same example so that we can understand what is the difference that is happening between all this various examples or various codes that I am showing you so that you can relate those differences and you can use it for yourself. So I have this dictionary which has fruit as mango and banana, flower as rose and lily. Yeah. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to iterate over the items in the dictionary. Yeah. Either I can say key value in D1 dot items and print the key and values like this. So if I run this, you will see it is giving me the key and the value. Or I can do it this way. If I have to print individual items, I have to say not key and value, I'll just say items. Yeah. And I'll print items here. Let's see what it gives. See this? So it gives me values in tuples. See this? Whereas if I try to print key and value, it gives me separate thing for each. So if I try to show you this way as well, let me show you key separately and value separately. So it will show you individual items. If I want to get key, only the key, or if I want to get only the values. You can see this. So I'm getting key separately and value separately. Over here, I'm not getting key separately and value separately, but I'm getting it as a tuple. Yeah. So there is a difference on getting key and value separately as we did earlier, and both the values together, but within tuples. So you have this parenthesis which is enclosing the keys and value together. So this is how you can iterate through the values using the items method, which is available within dictionary. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this example and understood the concept. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Would like to get some more comments from your people so that we can improve on the content. Also, viewers can learn something if there is a really important which you want to share and pass on the message to our colleagues. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel as that will help you to get my such relevant videos or informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.